Are you looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Upland 4x4 in Sting Gray. With black headlamp bezel finish, gloss black exterior accents, 20-inch gloss black painted aluminum wheels, black lens tail lamps, deep tint sunscreen glass, heated front seats, heated steering wheel mounted audio controls, blind spot and cross path detection, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto compatible, Uconnect with 7-inch display, backup camera, dual zone auto temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start, rear park assist with stop, power liftgate, QUADRA-TRAC 2 4-wheel drive system, and so much more. For additional details or to set up a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5394.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.